Your fridge is supposed to keep your food fresh, but what if it's slowly ruining it instead? Most people store their food wrong. Wrong shelves, wrong temperatures, wrong containers. From soggy lettuce to spoiled milk to flavorless leftovers, the real issue might be your fridge. You've been doing it wrong. Let's fix that, and save your food, your money, and your stomach. That convenient little shelf on the door, it's the worst place for milk. Why? Because it's the warmest part of the fridge. The door is constantly opened, exposing milk to fluctuating temperatures. That speeds up spoilage, affects taste, and increases bacterial risk. Fix it. Always store milk on the middle shelf, toward the back, where it's coldest and most stable. It sounds efficient, but this combo actually ruins both. Fruits like apples, bananas, and pears release ethylene gas, a natural ripening hormone. When veggies like spinach, lettuce, or broccoli are exposed to that gas, they wilt and rot faster. So here's how you fix it. Use one drawer for fruits and one for vegetables. Keep them separate. If your fridge only has one drawer, just use breathable bags or containers to divide them. Ever put steaming food right in the fridge? That's a problem. Hot food raises the overall temperature inside your fridge, putting all other food at risk and creating condensation, which leads to mold and spoilage. Alright, so here's what you should do. Let leftovers cool to room temperature for 30 to 45 minutes before refrigerating. You know, just leaving food covered with a loose lid or some plastic wrap really isn't enough. Air still gets in, moisture escapes, and, well, smells can transfer. Suddenly your cheesecake ends up tasting like onions. So here's how to fix it. Use airtight containers, seal everything up tight, and never reuse takeout boxes. They're porous and honestly unsafe over time. The fridge needs airflow to stay cold. If it's packed tight, food blocks the vents, temperature becomes uneven, and honestly, bacteria grows faster. Cold spots become warm, warm spots become unsafe. So here's how you fix it. Leave space between items. Don't let food touch the back wall. It can freeze. And yeah, make sure to clean your fridge vents regularly. Raw meat belongs on the bottom shelf. Always. Storing it higher up risks drips and cross-contamination even if it's packaged. Alright, let's fix it. Store raw meat in a sealed container on the lowest shelf. And, it's a good idea to use a tray or plate underneath, just in case. Most fridges, they tend to run a bit too warm, around 45 degrees Fahrenheit or 7 degrees Celsius. And that's what we call the danger zone. The safe range, well, it's between 35 and 38 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 1.6 to 3.3 degrees Celsius. Anything warmer than 40 degrees Fahrenheit encourages bacteria growth. Meanwhile, anything colder than 32 degrees Fahrenheit might freeze those delicate items. Okay, let's fix it. Get yourself a fridge thermometer, and if you can, set your temperature manually. Don't just trust that mid-setting. Like milk, eggs should not be kept in the door. The temperature fluctuates too much. Okay, so to fix it, keep eggs on a middle shelf inside their original carton. The cardboard helps regulate moisture and prevents odor absorption. You cook something, put it in the fridge, uncovered, even just for a few hours. But in that time, bacteria can spread, smells can merge, and moisture can be lost. So you should never store food uncovered. Not even for, just a little while. Always use lids, wraps, or containers every time. How often do you actually deep clean your fridge? If it's longer than a month, it's already overdue. Spills, crumbs, and condensation encourage mold and bacteria growth. Okay, here's how to fix it. Clean your fridge monthly. Use a mix of vinegar and water, not harsh chemicals. And don't forget to wipe the seals, handles, and drawers, not just the shelves. Here's where your food should go. Top shelf, that's for ready-to-eat foods and leftovers. Middle shelf is for milk, eggs, and dairy. Bottom shelf, raw meat, fish, and poultry, but only in sealed containers. Crisper drawers, you want one for fruits and one for veggies. And the door, that's for condiments, juices, and sauces, but definitely not milk or eggs. Your fridge isn't just a cold box, it's a food safety system. And honestly, most people are using it wrong. One wrong shelf, one bad habit. And your food spoils faster, your stomach suffers more, and your money goes straight in the trash. But now, you've been storing it wrong. Now you know.